Another beautiful picture by Bobby. Thank you
right.
for sending those in. All right, we're very happy to have Carol in the kitchen.
Yes.
We think we're making, okay, I'm pretty excited because there's nothing I like better than ribs.
I know, my family
grilled.
loves them too. And these are ribs in the slow cooker. These are
Okay.
gonna cook for 7 hours.
Gee-miny.
I know. But before we put those in, we're gonna make this rub. It's the rub, they say, that makes your ribs really tasty.
Okay,
So,
and this is a dry rub.
yes. So we're gonna start with, the ingredients are pretty simple, and I had mostly, I did have everything at home in the
Nice.
kitchen.
Okay,
So we need three-quarter teaspoons of black pepper, some white pepper. We're gonna do a half a teaspoon of cayenne pepper. We're gonna do a teaspoon of ground cumin, a third a cup of brown sugar, a tablespoon of paprika, and one and a half teaspoons of salt. And then we have about 4 pounds of our ribs.
So this is kind of a sweet and spicy rub.
Yeah, I think, yeah, it's
Very
gonna be
nice.
good that way.
Okay.
So you're gonna do.
I'm just gonna get the brown sugar.
Yeah, you're gonna do the brown sugar, paprika, and salt, and I will do the black pepper. Probably can't use that one, can I?
Okay, so there's a third of a cup of brown sugar. What else am I doing? The black pepper? The
No,
paprika.
you start from the bottom and go up. So you're doing paprika, one tablespoon paprika.
Okay.
And I'm doing 3 teaspoons. Nope, that's a teaspoon. You need a tablespoon.
This will turn out perfectly. Can you feel it?
Three-quarter teaspoons of black pepper.
This would be good for the game. We might have to get up a little
wait a
early to
minute.
start it. Tablespoon of
This is one-
paprika.
I need 3/4 of one.
Well then,
Like
it don't have to be precise. Okay, there's
like
a
that,
tablespoon
maybe?
of paprika.
No, 3/4. Oh, a paprika, yes.
You start from the top, Carol.
I do. Okay, and next you need 1.5 teaspoons of salt.
Okay.
There's my pepper. And then now I'm going to do white pepper. I don't know.
Teaspoons.
I'm going to do 3/4 teaspoons of white pepper. So I don't know how much 3/4 is up. Does that look like 3/4 or does that look like too much?
It's perfect.
And it goes. Okay. There we go.
All right.
Wow, we got a big bowl for a little bit of rub.
It's okay. I'm so
Okay.
used to making things like triple. If you're going to do a rub, you might as well make it like quadruple it.
Yeah.
Did you get all yours in there?
I think so.
Okay.
Did I get, I didn't get the cayenne pepper. Okay, so how much do we want of that? Half a
Whatever
teaspoon.
you want. Let me
Wow,
just
that's
kind
all.
of get this.
Yeah, that's gonna be there.
You guys have a smoker too. This would be.
And you could probably do this. You know, I do have an Instapot. You could probably put this
Ooh.
rub on it and do it in Instapot.
Now, does this recipe call, can you put it directly on there or do you need to wrap it, seal it, and put it and kind of refrigerate it?
You're gonna put it directly on the meat. So I'm gonna cut.
Well, yeah, but what I'm saying is you can put it from the meat straight to the crock pot?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes, yes, yes.
Okay.
Because what we're gonna do is we're gonna rub the meat, and then I'm gonna cook this on low for 6 hours, and then at 6 hours, what you want to do is drain the grease from the crock pot,
Okay.
and then put the ribs back in. You always want to put the ribs meat side up, and then after I put them back in, I'm going to pour some barbecue sauce on it and let it cook for another hour.
Ooh. Now, do you have
I
a favorite
know.
barbecue sauce?
Yes, I have one at home. I like honey barbecue sauce. So we got our ribs.
Okay.
Okay.
I might
and
have
then
to
Ronnie, what I did is
Want
I
me
just
to-
cut mine in half. And so what I'm going to do is just start rubbing.
This
take
is a
the
good
meat and
recipe.
Just start. I know this is going to taste good. It's going to smell good too. Here, look. Okay. So we just take a little bit of this rub, and then that's all. That's all
there is to
folks.
this?
Yeah. Just rub your meat. Both sides of it too. You want to do both sides of the meat, and then we're going to put it in the crock pot, meat side up, and cover it up. And there you go for 6
That is
hours,
it.
friends.
Very nice.
Yeah, so I hope it'll taste good.
It'll taste absolutely perfect. I will need pictures.
Yeah, I told my son that we're having this tonight for dinner. So yeah, you know,
Very nice.
It'll be over.
You didn't-
Yeah,
What time? What time, Carol?
6:30 if you want to come.
Oh, you know, I'll be, well, might be in Donna.
So there you go, friends.
Very
Look how easy that
nice.
is.
So on high?
On low for 6
Low for
hours.
6, then
Then at
slather
the 6th
some.
hour, drain the grease and put barbecue sauce on for another hour.
Love
A little
it.
bit of salad, mashed potatoes, and that's
Very
what's
nice.
for dinner tonight.